Hello students, welcome to class 7 subject mathematics chapter exponents, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. So today we are going to learn about chapter exponent. So students, already we have some about the numbers multiplied two or more times. We can represent these numbers as a 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4. So here this representation named as exponential form, representation known as exponential form. So now in the representation you will see that power, this number is known as index or power, and the number 2 is known as base. So if it is written a to the power m, so a is base, m is index or power, index or power. Now we will see these powers for rational numbers. We are using now rational numbers, and we know that rational numbers are in the form a by b always, where a b are positive integers, b not equal to 0. A b are integers, b not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. If two rational numbers are there in multiplication form, then we can write it as a exponential form a by b, and its power will be 2. So here a by b is base and 2 is power or index, power or index. Next we will see if n number of rational numbers multiplied, n number of rational number multiplied, then how do you write that one? So that will be possible to write as a by b to the power n, and if you multiply all the numerator and all the denominator, so you will get from this, again we will get a into a n times, and b also multiplied n times, so n times b also multiplied. So this is possible to write a to the power n, b to the power n. That means we can say a by b to the power n is possible to write a to the power n, b to the power n. We can take one example, 3 by 4 square. So we can write 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, which is 3 square by 4 square. So that is 9 by 16. So this way we can find out any power. This formula is important to remember. Now next we will see reciprocal of a rational number. Reciprocal of a rational number a by b. So what will be the reciprocal? So if a by is a non-zero number, if it is non-zero number, then its reciprocal, of reciprocal of a by b is a by b's inverse is b by a, and in symbolically we will write that one a by b's inverse is b by a. So if it is like this, that a by b to the power m, okay, so we know this one is possible to write a to the power m and b to the power m. Now reciprocal of a by b to the power m is b to the power m by a to the power m. Later we can write this one as a b by a to the power m, and symbolically we can write this one a by b to the power m. Its reciprocal means its inverse will be b by a to the power m. So this is the answer. So we have to remember, when power is there, so this will be positive by writing denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. Now we will learn some laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. So what are the laws of exponent? For any rational number a by b and positive integer m and n, and positive integer m n, we have one number a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n equal to a by b to the power m plus n. Second one is, if m greater than n, then a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n, and this will be a by b to the power m minus n. Next formula is, if m is less than n and it is given a by b m divided by a by b n, then we can write a by b to the power m divided by ab to the power n, and it is possible to write b n minus m. So this way, these are the formula we have to remember. 4 number formula is a by b to the power m and its power again n, so we can write a by b to the power mn. 5 number formula is a by b to the power minus n is possible to write a by b to the power n, and if we break it, so this will be like this, and finally we can write b to the power n by a to the power n, that means b by a to the power n. Next 6 number is, so we can write a by b to the power minus n equal to a b by a to the power n. Now 6 number, if a by b to the power 0 is there, that will be 1, and if it is a by b to the power minus 1 only, so we can write b by a for that. So we have to remember these formulas, and we will see its use also. So application. applications in different problems. So suppose it is given 3 to the power 4 power 7 and 3 by 4 power 5. So we already know now a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n means a by b to the power m plus n. We already learned this here. One number formula. Law is telling this one. So here what we will write 3 by 4 to the power 7 plus 5. That means 3 by 4 to the power 12 is the answer for this one. Now we will see the application of a by b to the power minus n equal to b by a to the power n. Suppose we have 1 by 2 to the power minus 4. So we can write this one 2 by 1 to the power 4, that is 2 to the power 4, that is 16. If you multiply 2 4 times you will get 16 here. Now we will see another application, that is a by b to the power minus n, that is b by a to the power n for this number. Suppose 3 by 4 to the power minus 2 is there and 2 by 5 to the power minus 3 is there. So now what we will do for this, we will write first this one 4 by 3 to the power 2 and this one as a 5 by 2 to the power 3, and here we have to break this one 4 square 3 square. So now we will break this one also 5 cube by 2 cube, and here we have to calculate it. So if you calculate this, so you will find that it is 16 9 to 125 by 8. So 8 to the 16. So finally we will get 250 by 9 as a answer. Next we will see another application of this formula a by b to the power m n equal to a by b to the power mn. So we already know, suppose the question is minus 3 by 2 power 2 and its power minus 3. So what we have to do, we have to multiply these powers 2 into minus 3. So it will give us 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2 minus 6, and we already know if a by b to the power minus n is there, so it will become b by a to the power n. So similarly here also it will become 2 by 3 and its power 6. So this is the answer. It will be positive 2 6 3 to the power 6. It will give you 64 by 729. Now we will see the application of a b to the power 0 equal to 1 or a to the power 0 equal to 1. So suppose the question is 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 equal to how much? So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1, so we will get 2. And one more, if 9 into 3 to the power n equal to 3 to the power 6, then find the value, then find n, so what will be the value of n? So what we have to do here, we will write in powers. So 3 to the power 6, here we have seen the powers are same, so they will be added to each other 3 to the power 6, and base are same, so their power also will be same. That means 2 plus n equal to 6 it will be. So from this we will get n equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. So the value of n will be 4 here. N is 4. So this is the required answer. So hope you understood this. This is the another important type of problem. So we have seen all the types of formula and its application also. So if you go through the video, you will understand better again. Thank you. Have a nice day.